love to play music, and I love to write songs too. Have you ever written a song? Let's think about writing a song. Songs are similar to poetry, except that it's set to music. And the first thing we need is a topic. Yeah, what would our song be about? And it could be anything because it's our song. There are songs about love, songs about Christmas, songs about cars, whatever the songwriter decides. And there are sad songs, serious songs, funny songs, happy songs. Again, it's up to the songwriter. And that's us in this case. So our song can be about whatever we would like. And I think I'm in the mood for a silly song. Yeah, let's write a song about a bologna sandwich. Yeah, that could be fun. A song about a bologna sandwich. So we have our topic. Now we just need our words. The words in a song, that's called the lyrics. So we need our lyrics. Yeah. Now again, it's our song, so it's going to be our lyrics. We can really write whatever we want for the lyrics, but there are some rules that most song lyrics usually follow. For example, usually song lyrics will rhyme. That is, at the end of a line, there's a word or a syllable that rhymes or sounds the same. So let's think about some rhyming lyrics for our song. Okay. Well, first, let's think about some words that rhyme. I might want to say that my bologna sandwich tastes great. And great is a word that I can think of some rhymes for. I can use the word great and plate. Because, well, we would put a bologna sandwich on a plate, and plate rhymes with great. So maybe the first two lines could go like this. Bologna sandwich on a plate. Bologna sandwich, it tastes great. Okay, that could be two lines. Plate and great rhyme. And those are the two words at the end of each of those lines. Let's keep going. Making a bologna sandwich can be really fun. Okay, now I'll need to think of a rhyme for fun. I could use the word, well, since we're talking about food, maybe the word yum. I eat it up, yum, yum. Okay, that's pretty good. Well, let me think. Look at these last two lines. Something is not quite right. It's best if we can make sure that each line of lyrics is generally the same length. And this line is quite a bit longer than this line. Let's rewrite these two lines so that they are generally the same length. We don't want one a lot longer than the other. So let's first shorten this line. We could say, making one can be such fun, and then we can write, I eat it up, yum, yum, yum. There, that's better. These lines are much more similar in length now, so they will fit better when we put it to music. Now, let's read through all of our lyrics so far. Bologna sandwich on a plate. Bologna sandwich, it tastes great. Making one can be such fun. I eat it up, yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'll think of a few more lines that rhyme, then in the next video, we will put all of our words together to form the full lyrics of our song. See you then. Hey, hey.